Crack the book inside, 100 pages all by magic Max and weird guys. By page 3 I needed fries. You got a glitter knife, a juicer on the street, a glittering city gone, and a wolf that learned to speak. Pick a class, roll the dice, now your life feels like a fight. One wrong nod, one bad choice, boom, your armor's lunch tonight. Riffs, riffs, what a mess. Build a hero, stress the rest. Riffs, riffs, roll again if you live. You and my friend. Riffs, riffs, hear me laugh. Every rule is half and half. Riffs, riffs, hold on tight. One more chart and then good night. The textbook needs its own chair. The magic book needs more snacks. The monster list has teeth, and the maps just lead to flax. You can play a juicer king or a cyber samurai, then a dog man with a shotgun and a grin that says, I tried. Yes, the game is gloriously odd. Yes, the numbers hit like fraud, but when the weird starts making sense, you're already too involved. Riffs, riffs, what a mess. Build a hero, stress the rest. Riffs, riffs, roll again if you live. You and my friend. Riffs, riffs, hear me laugh. Every rule is half and half. Riffs, riffs, hold on tight. One more chart and then good night. Someone says, what does that do? Someone else says, wait and see. Then a glitter bomb of doom ends the scene in symmetry. You came for fights galore, now you're reading footnotes deep. And the mutant in the corner just stole your side quest and your sleep.